Hi everyone, so I have a package from yourcreativestudio.com. I have worked with them in the past and shown their subscription boxes, and they reached out and asked if I wanted to collaborate again, and I said yes. So today they have sent me their bird box. So they are a subscription service, so you could go ahead and go to their website. I'll leave it linked down below, or check out their Instagram. I'll leave that linked as well. And they do these monthly little subscription boxes, which so far everything that I've got has been fabulous. They are really nice quality. I want to start doing like a mini junk journal or like a mini scrapbook little album using their products, so stay tuned for that. I just got in the little binder book that I'm going to be using for those little ideas, so I'll definitely be sharing that in the future. And then their box that it comes with is really nice. It has their sticker on the lid. Definitely save their boxes and use them for other items as well. So that's what I do. And then their packaging, you can see right here, this little paper is really nice. Definitely save that. Cut these out. Use them like little ephemera pieces. Color them in as well. And then they always send a little card, and I save that also. So this box is themed in bird, and every month their card changes. So like I said, definitely save their little cards. You can definitely use it for like a little ephemera piece as well. So let's go ahead and open this on up. And I just carefully open this, like I said, because I do reuse this for little embellishments. So I guess this guy wanted to be shown first because he did pop out. So we have some washi tape. Again, with these stickers, save those, save the little bag. You can use everything that they send, or at least I do. So here is their washi. So we have our little bird and some little florals right here. Oh, look, there's a butterfly right there. That is really pretty. Love the little butterfly. And right here, let's see. Time to travel. Yes, please. I am all ready to travel. I cannot wait. So let's see, what are these? Oh, they look like little journal pieces. So that looks like a handwritten note. Oh, so does this one. Oh, that's pretty. I wish I could write like that. My handwriting is awful. It is so bad. Oh, these are really pretty. So these look like little like documents that were actually like vintage and handwritten. Oh, there's some music note back here. Oh, that was actually written as well. Oh, this is really pretty. Customs House of Boston. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Love that pack right there. Let's see what's up next. Oh, we have some little stickers. So paper ephemera. So these are matching like our washi that we had over there. So let's see, we have some birds. We have some roses. And some more birds. Oh, that one's cute. It's got like little flowers and a little bird. You get multiple pieces of each one. These are cute. These are actually really cute. I'm liking the little like vintage vibes to them. Oh my gosh, look at that tiny little butterfly right there. I love that they included some little butterflies as well with the birds. Really cute. So we have those. And then this back little, it's technically part of the packaging, but I would save this as well because look how pretty that is. You could definitely use this. You can hear how nice and thick it is. You could use this as a base for a card if you wanted, or use it as an ephemera piece. So definitely save everything. Like I said, I will save and use everything from their boxes because it's all gorgeous and can all be used. Even these little baggies, you can make an embellishment and then repackage it in their little baggies. Oh, what's this one? This is like a little like ticket book maybe? Not sure what this is. Oh yeah, it's like little tickets. That is really cute. So the little cover is exactly what it is. Little Paris ticket book. That's cute. And oh, we have some more little ephemera pieces in here. So look, this one is different. This packaging is different than that one, so definitely save that. It's like a little book. Oh, it's like little papers. Oh, look at those. I love it. Their stuff is like really like vintage, and I just love it. I really dig their whole vibe. Oh, that's pretty. You get multiple sheets of these as well. Ooh, I love that one with the blue flowers. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, what is this? Note bar stickers. I don't think I've ever heard of little note bar stickers. So here's the packaging on that. Oh, look, they already have like little like cutouts and texture to them. So you can see like right here along the edge. Looks like it's torn. So you get a couple of each pieces of these as well. Oh, I love it with the little horse. Oh, these are very cute. This looks like old newspaper or old magazines to me. Oh, look at the little like vintage lady right there also. She's really pretty too. Love those. If you get like a little tiny bit of ink and just ink the edges, and I'll make it look even more like vintage. Oh, look, so it's right here where you could just like cut it apart, so you could get like multiple little pieces. Is this all the same thing? Oh yeah, it is. So this one repeats all the way through. That's really cute. And this one has like a different texture of paper to it. It kind of feels like older paper, like maybe like a little bit of like handmade paper. It's not smooth like printer paper. I like that. That's really, really nice. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love stamps. I am such a sucker for stamps. Oh, look at the back of this one. This is the back of the packaging, but I really like the way this looks also. Like I said, I really like handwritten notes, and like it has like the little ink blot where the ink came off of the pen. But look at these. Oh, are they all butterflies? That's so pretty if they all are. Oh, I think they are. Oh, these are so nice. They're all like butterflies and little flowers. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this one. I love stamps. I love butterflies. I am just so in love with this one. Oh, look, it's got like a Cuba. Oh my gosh. These are so nice. These are really, really nice. And these are little stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with these. How could you just not love these? They're little butterfly stamps. There's so many in here. Love, love, love those. I think that's like my favorite little piece. Let's say how many come. No, I don't know how many pieces are in here, but there's a lot. There's a whole lot in there. And they do their little vellum paper. So there is their little birdie with their little vellum. And I think it's usually 4 pieces. I usually have a hard time putting these back in. So I'm not going to pull it all the way out. But I think there's like 4 or 5 pieces in here. Let me see. We got 1, 2. Yeah, I think 5. Yeah, I think there's like 5 pieces. Super light little like tissue paper. That's how thin it is. It's like printed tissue paper. Super, super cute. You can easily tell this apart to make like that like little vintage like shabby chic little edge to it. Love this stuff. Really, really nice. Oh my gosh, there's a stamp in here. Ooh, look at these are little vellum stickers. Okay, let me focus here. So we have our little birdie stamps right here with some little berries and some little leaves. Oh, I love this pouch that it comes in. Look at that. That is like really fancy. Really, really nice. And then we have little vellum birdie stickers. I'm sure with some markers, you could probably go ahead and color this and it'll stay. I think that would be really nice. And our last little item here. Oh, what is this? This is new. I haven't seen this before. So it looks like a pillow box. Let's see. Yeah, this is like a little pillow box right here. So you just fold this down like that. Fold this one up. Right there. There we go. So then you make a little pillow box. And you're going to tuck this other side in as well. And we have some little tulle. And then we have some more ephemera pieces in here. Oh, look at that. It's like a little vellum sticker. We have just some more little stickers. I think most of these are stickers. This is paper, like ephemera. This is ephemera. I think, yeah, this one is like a sticker. And then these are just papers. And then some more stickers here. Oh my gosh, I really love this kit. I am not a fan of birds at all. I'm scared of birds. I was attacked by a bird as a child. But this one, I can get behind this one. I actually like this little kit a lot because even though it is a bird theme, there's just so much more to it besides just the birds that I really, really love this kit a lot. I'm loving the butterflies and all the floral. They always do such a fabulous job with all of their kits. I do have a playlist where you can go check out the other kits that I've received from them. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website and to their Instagram so you guys could go over and check them out. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day and we'll see you later. Bye guys!